got a ride, but you can't ride in it? How you got the drive, but you ain't driving it? Tune in, I can get you right in 5 minutes. Hit subscribe for these rides, I put my life in it. I used to keep it going if the outside was clean. Now I'm grown and I put away the childish things. You gon' have to do a lot more than wipe it clean. I could give you all the tools you gon' likely need. So tune in, tune up, lock in. It's D Brooks, dawg. I'ma give you real life game by the book, dawg. Tune in, tune up, lock in. It's D Brooks, dawg. I'ma give you real life game by the book, dawg.
See what it is, guys. It's D Brooks, man. Got Antoine Hawthorne in the building. What year is this? 96? Man, this ain't clean. Where is this from? What's up, man? G-bodies, man. Trying to see what I smell, man. 85. Yeah, man, that E85 hit different. So, where you dropping this off at?
Here, actually, I'm headed up to On3 Performance. This is their turbo system that I helped design.
Yeah.
So I'm headed up there to drop this off to the owner, and we're gonna do a couple of pulls, make sure he like it, and then that's it, man.
The owner of On3, this is car? Hey, this is On3's car?
Huh?
This On3's car?
No, this is their turbo kit. I helped them design.
I remember that.
Yeah. This car belongs to Cody Spencer.
Okay.
Cody Spencer. Pretty cool guy, man. He's a really, really cool guy.
Man, I love that E85 smell, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
It's a little T-top. We just finished it last night. We did a couple of pulls. It's on like 13 pounds right now. Nothing too crazy.
I was actually, I sent the Jeep that I built over to On3 to get tuned. Bob did the tune on it.
Yeah, Bob Morrison.
Yeah.
Bob is a really good friend of mine.
Yeah?
You're going to go, he tuned this. I'm
Okay.
getting ready to go up there and talk to him. I told him I was going to come and see him once I got up here.
Dang.
So,
Hell yeah. What are you
man,
thinking?
This is it.
What do you think it's going to make?
This car?
Yeah.
It's done.
I mean, how much power?
I don't know if he really wants to.
You don't, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. I mean, I don't care. It made north of 750.
Okay. What
Like-
size turbo?
Billet 80 millimeter.
80 millimeter, okay.
And then I built this one right here. This for my boy Vic.
Yep.
This is his car, so. Yep.
Hell
and
yeah.
I'm picking up another Monty while I'm here in Columbus. It's going to be a single turbo deal too, so I'll probably buy his turbo system while I'm here.
Nice.
So, yep.
Yeah, man. I had to stop building other people's cars, man.
Yeah.
I'm working on a Suburban for somebody right now, 88 square
Yeah.
body, but that's the last one I'm doing.
Yes. Working for people can be a headache sometimes. This guy has been a blessing, man. This guy's been a blessing, but working for people can be a little bit of a headache for sure. So
Yeah.
I'm starting to get out of it myself. So
Yeah.
starting to just build my own cars and stuff. I got a 67 short bed, small back window pickup, 57 Bel Air convertible, 70 Chevelle, and then I got an 84 Hurst Olds Cutlass, but that'll end up going. I'm getting ready to revive old Clyde.
Oh, yeah, I heard you got that back.
Yeah, well, I got one back. I didn't get that particular one.
Okay.
I got one back.
Okay.
Getting ready to go pick it up. So we're just kind of doing all of our running, getting stuff back out to people, customers, and everything. And then it'll be all me. So
Oh, yeah.
yeah,
You gonna be on that content again, or?
I will definitely be on my content.
I know we
again.
talked about that. Yeah.
I will definitely be on my content again. Yep.
Dang.
Yep. So
Hell yeah, bro. I just happen to be, I'm working down there at OSU. I'm an electrician, so
okay.
we're doing like a new build over there, and I just happened to see, I was like, nah, ain't no way. And then I seen the truck.
Yeah.
I said, I gotta pull over.
That's me.
Yeah, I gotta pull over, man, because we didn't talk, but I never met you in person.
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
so I was like,
Yeah,
dang.
we talked a bunch.
Yeah, so,
Yeah, man.
but I can't wait to see some more content, man. I love these G-bodies. I see you got the notch on there and everything.
Oh yeah, notch, mini tub.
Got coilovers and everything.
Coilovers, Rick's tank.
Yeah, oh yeah, I see that.
GN1 Performance exhaust. It's actually from a Grand National on here.
Okay.
We just modded it to get it to work. Yep.
What kind of fuel system you got on there? I know you got the E85, but what fuel pump?
It's a stainless Rick's tank.
Oh my God.
And it's 8 feet, 8 returns. It's got Bosch 210 injectors. It's got an aeromotive boost reference, fuel pressure regulator, like a 1-to-1 ratio. It's, man, I done so many of them. It's kind of like,
it's the recipe.
yeah, it's the recipe. You know, this thing will make 1,000 all day if he wanted to really push it that way. Right now, it's comfortable. You know, 700-800. Spins the tires, get you excited, and it actually transitions really well on the suspension and actually hooks a little bit.
So, oh, okay.
Yep. Built 4L80, full manual valve body. A guy here named Michael Turner built it. I did the motor, stock bottom end 6.2, stage 3 cam, BTR springs, you know,
okay.
trunnion kit,
okay.
push rods.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Hell yeah, man.
UA1 coilovers, UMI suspension, really good friends over there, Raimi and Ryan Kirkwood. Forgiato is supplied by KJ over at KJ Custom Wheels and Tires. Mini Tubs is done by Jesse in Dallas, Texas. Frame notch was done by Mike Winter in Oklahoma. And the assembly was done by me.
Yeah,
Vintage
man.
Air from Arizona GN and their T-top conversion that was done before.
Oh, so that's a conversion.
Yeah, it's a T-top conversion.
Do they come T-tops at all?
Not at all. Not at all.
Wow. So that's a nice touch, man.
Yeah, man.
How hard is it to get a T-top conversion? Do you have to get it from a donor, or can you can't get it?
You got to cut another car.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. What about the rust on the T-tops? Like, I have a rusty T-type at the shop, and I'm like, I only bought the car because it was a T-top car.
Yeah.
And it was a Regal. I don't see too many T-top Regals, and T-top, it's a V6 car.
Yeah.
I was like, well, damn, I just got to buy it.
Yeah. Man, I don't know. I stay out of that T-top cutting stuff. I hate cutting cars. I hate doing frame notches and mini tubs, but this is what guys want, what they're wanting to do, so we do it.
Yeah. It's never the same.
Yeah, man.
After that,
I just like them just like they cut. They T-tops. If they're hard tops, and sunroof. I really love Astro roof cars. That's my favorite car, actually.
Okay. I gotta research that a little bit.
Just sunroof.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
like a G-body sunroof, sliding sunroof.
All right.
Yep.
Hell yeah, man. When y'all leaving? Y'all about to leave right now?
Yeah, I'm actually writing up his final invoice, and then I'm gonna pull it off the trailer. I'm gonna scare the hell out of him and let him drive it and make love to it.
He's here right now?
He's on his way. He's probably.
Oh, okay.
He's gonna meet us at On 3. We stop here because I need to grab a part. So.
You miss Ohio, man?
I do, man. I like the weather, man. I'm loving it right here, right now. I'm smiling about that. Yeah.
Okay, man. Yeah. We welcome you back anytime, man.
I'm not coming back to the snow. I'm not coming back to the Rust Belt, man.
It is, right? You can't get no cars like this down here, man. It's hard to find them like that.
Yes, sir.
Man, but beautiful rigs, man.
I'll be back up here quite a bit, though. I got a lot of business to do up here, so
yeah.
I'll be back.
Real nice, man.
I appreciate it,
yes,
man.
sir. It was good
nice
seeing you.
Man.
Yeah, nice
Take
meeting you
care.
too, bro. Yep.